My video is about removing the browser notifications and deceptive alerts that are related to the site News-fipuge.cc. News-fipuge.cc is a new malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead you and to make you click on the allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. In reality, it is a mistake to do that. It is a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, almost immediately the browser gets hijacked and infected. This means you will start receiving a lot of pop-ups that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. These ads are multiple and dangerous, and they keep bothering you a lot. So you should do something to deactivate these ads. Go to the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and research the websites allowed to send notifications. You now need to remove all these malicious sites from the list that are causing these troubles. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.